I promise
You're telling me you never heard a priest being called father.
Why would you call a priest a father? Like, why would I call him
You're
a
capping,
father?
bro. You're lying right now.
I'm not.
God sees you.
I'm
Whether
not.
you're Christian,
I'm
all
genuinely
those movies, all those references where a priest is called father, the Father, forgive me for I have sinned. All of those, you never.
Muslim.
Jesus was a Muslim. I just showed you. I just showed you right now.
I feel
Here,
like
right?
Jesus would be
Right?
like a terrible
Did he?
Muslim for
Why?
saying
Why
that
would? Why would he say that?
God was his father.
Okay. Again. So, do you believe that Jesus said he is God? That's the first question.
If if I believe that Jesus said
Hold
that
on.
he's God,
Assalamualaikum. Sadiq.
yo,
Can you
yo,
take this?
I don't want to cut this
I got
conversation.
you. I got you. But you
It's
asked the
about to rain.
question.
It's
I
about
don't.
to rain.
I know, but I want to answer your question,
Okay,
bro.
it's about to rain.
I don't
My heart is
believe.
about to get
I
damaged.
don't believe Jesus ever said God is his father in a physical sense. But as you know, the word like Baal was used in the
Can he
Bible
be?
for God.
Can he be anything close to being a father, or are you?
I got you.
Is he supposed to be
I
only a
got you.
slave? Like,
For-
are we supposed to be like slaves then?
I got you. Listen.
Yeah.
What's your name again? Antonio.
Antonio.
Where are you from?
From here.
Where are you from originally?
From here.
Where's your family from?
From here.
Do you speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Don't try to hide it, bro.
I'm
Be
from
real
here.
with. Be
I'm
real.
from here.
I know, but you speak
That
Spanish.
doesn't make.
I got you.
That doesn't.
So if I told you, mijo, let me speak to you, right? That's in Spanish, right?
Yeah.
Now, if I told you, mijo, let me speak to you, does that mean that I physically had relations with your mother?
But you can't call. You can't
You
call
can.
father.
You can. You
You
can.
can't call
Listen. Listen.
out
Listen.
loud.
When you go to a priest, what do you call him?
Can you call him a father?
Listen.
Can you call him father?
Listen. Answer my question first.
Can you
and
call Allah
let me
a father?
answer. Listen. Answer my question, and I will answer yours.
Okay.
Why do you want to run? Like don't.
I'm not running.
Okay. So the
I'm right
question. I asked you a question instead of answering
I
it.
should be running because it's
Okay,
about to rain and
okay.
my arm's about to get
All right,
damaged.
gotcha. Last question. I'll answer yours. You answer mine. Okay. When you go to a priest, what do you call him? Forgive me,
I don't go to priests.
bro. But when somebody goes to a priest, a
Okay.
Catholic priest, what do they say? Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
To God, yeah.
To a priest, a Catholic priest.
I
You
don't
know,
know.
bro. Why are you trying to hide?
I'm not a Catholic.
But you
I've
know,
never been a Catholic.
you don't know what a priest is,
I know what a priest.
and you
I-
don't
but
know
I
that people call him
I did-
father.
I did not know that. I
Bro, you
promise you.
capping. You
I promise
capping.
you. I promise you.
You're telling me you never heard a priest being called father.
Why would you call a priest a father? Like, why would I call him?
You're
a
capping,
father?
bro. You're lying right now.
I'm not.
God sees you.
I'm
Whether
not.
you're Christian,
I'm
all
genuinely.
those movies, all those references where a priest is called father, the Father, forgive me for I have sinned. All of those, you never seen The Godfather or any of those movies when they call a priest father.
I mean, I have.
capping.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
capping,
I
bro.
have seen.
Oh, now
father,
you have.
But I've never heard.
Okay, so
Father,
now-
forgive me for I have sinned. Why
You
would
have heard priests being called father
Yes,
then.
but I've
Oh, so
never-
now we switching. Like no logic. All right.
No, you're saying that
Okay, so-
somebody goes to a priest and says, Father,
Father.
forgive me for
Okay.
I have sinned.
Yeah, that's how you confess.
You don't say that.
You do.
To
yeah.
a priest. You confess to
Those
God
watching,
saying that.
go check online. How do Catholics confess? They say, "Forgive me, Father, for I've sinned." That's
don't
not
know.
the. That's not the
I'm
point.
not a Catholic.
But you have heard a priest being called father.
I have, yeah, okay, yes.
Oh,
if
that-
you would have asked that,
I
would've-
did ask that, but
No,
it's
you
okay.
said.
I asked that a
no,
few
you
times.
you said.
Good thing we get
what you-
video.
No,
All right.
exactly. You
All right.
said, what
I
you
got
said
you.
was,
Okay.
Father, the priest is usually told, Father, forgive me for I have sinned.
Okay.
And
I
said, no,
asked
I've
you,
never
have
heard
you
that.
ever
I've
seen
never-
a priest being called father? You said no.
No.
And I gave you okay. A Catholic priest.
I
You
don't
know,
know.
bro. Why are you trying to hide?
I'm not a Catholic.
But you
I've
know.
never been a Catholic.
You don't know what a priest is.
I know what a priest
And
is.
you don't
but
know
I
that people call him
I did-
father.
I did not know that. I did not know that. I did not know that. Before I have sinned.
Okay.
And I said, no,
asked
I've
you,
never
have
heard
you
that.
ever
I've
seen
never-
a priest being called father? You said no.
No.
And I gave you, okay. We'll
You've
check the
done
video.
this before,
We'll check
but
the
it's
video.
okay.
No problem,
You've
bro.
done this before.
We'll check the video,
It's
bro.
okay.
Okay. Listen. Does that mean the priest is physically your father?
No.
Okay, good. So I believe in earlier languages it is possible that people called father out of respect, right?
Allah Father.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
possible.
But
right?
you can.
You could out of respect.
Can you now?
Can I finish speaking?
Okay, my bad.
You asked the
I
question.
do keep cutting you off. My apologies.
I appreciate it. I appreciate your good manners, man. All right. I do not believe today we should. Why? Because Allah has revealed His names, and one of them is not Father. So why would I call Him something He didn't? But I also know that Allah was called by names before that we don't know. Even in the Bible, people used to call God Baal, and then that was forbidden later,
Yeah.
right? So it's possible that earlier people, yeah, you can go look it up, right?
I don't
Look
know.
it up. Look
I
it
don't
up.
know. I
Study
don't
your
know.
Bible, bro.
I don't
All right?
know.
Go study your Bible. Come back to us, right?
I know. I
But
know. I know. I know. I know. Muslims used to be from
call them
pagan,
Baal.
pagan religion.
Muslims were never pagan religion. How did you make that statement?
There's a lot of inspiration from them.
What?
Like the
Nothing.
stoning of the Kaaba.
Studying of the what?
The what is it called?
The Kaaba?
Yeah, the Kaaba.
We don't stone the Kaaba. We don't stone the Kaaba.
What is it that you guys throw
The
stones?
three places in Arafah.
Yeah. That.
That is from Ibrahim. Abraham, was he a pagan? I don't think so, right? So if Abraham did it, is that paganism?
I don't think that came from.
That is from Abraham. It is. That is where he threw three small rocks at the shaitan.
Yeah, I gotta pack. Yo, dude.